Now, did you know that you can earn $173 or more every day on Amazon? Literally for free? And guess what? You don't need to sell on Amazon to generate income from Amazon. No Amazon FBA. No wholesaling. No dropshipping. None of that nonsense. You want to know more? Stay tuned.
Hey, if you're sick of struggling as an affiliate, not making enough today, not having enough for the future, then I've got the perfect solution for you. Would you like to exploit a legal loophole from a $386 billion company and make over $173 every single day in passive income? Because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to explain to you how you can do this. I want you to forget everything you know about affiliate marketing and picture this instead. Number one, we give you free traffic. Number two, because of that traffic that we give you, somebody clicks on your affiliate link, but they don't buy anything, okay? And ouch, normally that would mean that you make nothing. But in this case, there's a loophole. Just by clicking on that link, anything this person buys for the next 24 hours, you get commissions for. It doesn't matter what they buy, when they buy, how they buy, or the actual item that you refer them to. Within 24 hours, you make money on every single online purchase that they make. And that means everything, okay? Could be groceries, books, a new phone, computer, something for the home. Really does not matter. Anything they buy, you make money. Now, what do you think? Would it be easier for you to make money if you could actually come in as the middleman and make commissions off of every single purchase that people makes? Now, picture this. Instead of one person activating this loophole, what about hundreds or even thousands of people clicking on your loophole link? Now, think about it. If you were earning commissions on everything that over 1,000 people bought in the next 24 hours of time, how much money would you make if you were earning commissions on all those items? That's what's so amazing about this. You are exploiting a legal loophole that we have created for you so that you don't need to create a product. You do not need an email list. You don't need to get on camera or build an audience at all. And forget about paid traffic or losing any of your hard-earned money, because you do not need any of those things. This is a 100% free solution. So heck yeah, once you learn this loophole, you will never have to pay another dime again. Now, you're probably skeptical at this point, and to be honest with you, that's a really good thing. We actually want you to be skeptical here. There are a lot of bogus and overhyped bullshit apps and loopholes that are out there right now pretending to be the real deal. So how do you know that this one is actually legit? Well, in this case, we're going to let the proof speak for itself. We opened up Loophole to Profits to a private group of beta testers, and within the last 30 days, the results that we've experienced from this are absolutely mind-blowing. I'm going to share them with you guys right here. So out of the 20 beta testers that we had for Loophole to Profits, the average user generated over $173 in passive income per day. Now, that was across a wide range of different ages, different levels of experience. Some had tried MMO before and failed, while others were as green as a cucumber and never even attempted to make money online before. But they all made money, okay? Now, why did this work for people all over the world? It's simple. This just works. And think about it. That was just in the first month of being a beta tester for this product. Imagine what these users will be making a month from now, or how about a year from now? And the really cool part is that this is all passive. It takes about 10 minutes to set this up, and then you can run it on autopilot 24/7, 365, just leave it running in the background. Now here's the really cool part. Nobody is stopping you from doing this loophole more than one time. After you've set this up the first time, in about 10 minutes, You can set this up again in any other niche of your choice. Every loophole that you create here is more passive income that's in your pocket. So do it once, do it twice, do it 7 times. The choice is yours. With Loophole to Profits, there's no launch jacking, there's no e-commerce, there's no boring content creation, there's no product creation, there's no hard work, there's no outsourcing. Yes, this is the easy way to build a business because it's legally siphoning sales from a multi-billion-dollar company for your own benefit. Now, this is easy, it's weird, but at the end of the day, guys, it works. Our biggest recommendation at this point is to just do it. We know you will love this product and you will be able to join our massive collection of success stories.
Hello and welcome to Loophole to Profits. In this video we are going to show the main features, how you can create your campaign and what's the main functionality of the tool. So let's start by going to campaigns and we are going to create a new one. As you can see, it's a very short form, so it's pretty simple to create your first page. So I'm going to tell this is going to be about iPhones. So that's my store name, and now you need to enter a keyword. The keyword can be anything related to a product or a service that you can find on Amazon. If you already upgrade for the Done For You campaign, you should see the best keywords, the most searched keywords already created for you. So let's go and try something like, alright, now here is the main and most important field that you need to have. This is the Amazon Affiliate ID, right? So if you don't have an account yet, you need to go to this address, to the affiliate-program.amazon.com URL, and create your account. Now I already have my account created, so I'm going to show you where you can find your Amazon Affiliate ID. So after creating your account, go and sign in. I'm just going to sign in here. And once it's done, you should be able to find your affiliate ID on the top right corner. So in this case, this is my affiliate ID. So you need to copy everything, including the dash and the number. And you're going to paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to save this. So let's go and search for our new campaign. This is the one. I'm going to click here to view the page created. And as you can see, automatically it's already filled with a bunch of products related to the keyword iPhone. You have the option to load more. It looks like a pretty basic store page, one page, but in all our tests, this is the one with more conversion. Alright, so once you are here, if the user click on any of these ones, it's going to be redirected to the product page. Now, this is the important part. Because you are sending your link, your affiliate ID, that means that even if they don't buy that product immediately, your cookie is going to be saved on the computer of the visitor, and anything that they buy, even if it's not this particular product, you are going to receive a commission. Alright, so that's how you can create your campaign. Now, from here you can edit or you can delete it, and then once you have your campaign created, it's time to start bringing some traffic. So for that, you're going to go to instant traffic, and probably you already know this module if you own one of our other products. From here, you just select your campaign and you start sharing on these social networks. If you have the Pro version, you should see way more options here. If you have just the basic, this is the one. I recommend you to upgrade to the Pro version. The Pro version, which is the premium version, includes also the ability to send the visitor directly to the add to cart page. So that is really good because it increases the conversion even more. Now let's see what else. The premium version have the option to customize the store, change color, change button's name. You have more flexibility on the look and feel of your store. Alright, so that's how it works. That's how you can create a campaign. And if you have on any of the upgrades, I'm going to start showing in the next videos how to use the Done For You campaigns and the Done For You leads. Thank you.